Are you looking to remember what you learned? Today we are diving into 5 techniques to help you remember everything fast. Memory is a fascinating aspect of human cognition that can be both a friend and a foe when it comes to learning new things. Fortunately, there are several curious memory tricks that can help you accelerate your learning process and retain information more effectively. These techniques can give you, for sure, an edge in your journey of acquiring knowledge. Number 5. The Method of Loci, also known as the Memory Palace. Dating back to ancient Greece, the Method of Loci involves associating the information you want to remember with specific locations in a familiar place, such as your home or a well-known route. Imagine you're memorizing a list of historical dates. Mentally place each date at a different spot in your house or along your commute. When you need to recall the information, mentally walk through these locations to retrieve each date. This technique leverages spatial memory, which is often stronger than rote memorization. Number 4. Chunking. Chunking is the process of breaking down large amounts of information into smaller, manageable parts, or chunks. This method works particularly well for remembering long sequences, such as numbers or letters. For example, instead of trying to memorize a 12-digit number as a whole, break it down into groups of 3 or 4 digits. This reduces the cognitive load and makes it easier for your brain to process and recall the information accurately. Number 3. Mnemonics. Mnemonics are memory aids that use acronyms, rhymes, or patterns to help you remember information. One popular mnemonic device is Roy G. Iv to recall the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Create your own mnemonics by linking the information you want to remember with something familiar or easier to recall. This technique not only enhances memory retention, but also adds a creative and personalized element to your learning process. Number 2. Visualization. Visualization involves creating mental images to represent information you want to remember. For example, if you're learning the names of different parts of a complex system, visualize each part vividly and imagine how they interact with each other. The more detailed and vivid your mental images are, the easier it becomes to recall the information later. Visualization engages your spatial and creative faculties, making it a powerful tool for memory enhancement. Number 1. Teach someone else. The act of teaching someone else what you've learned is one of the most effective ways to solidify your own understanding and memory of the material. When you explain concepts to others, you reinforce neural pathways related to that information and identify gaps in your own knowledge. This process not only enhances your retention, but also boosts your confidence in applying what you've learned. If you don't have someone to teach, try explaining the concept out loud to an imaginary audience or recording yourself. There you have them. 5 memory tricks to learn anything faster. Tell us in the comments which one you use, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more quick advice.